Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your HMD Arc. First, check your volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side. Press the volume up button while on an active call. Open the phone app and make a call, then press volume up to increase the call volume. You can also adjust call volume in settings under the sound options. After adjusting the call volume, go to Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences, tap Bluetooth and disable it to rule out any connected devices like headphones. Next, clean the earpiece cutout at the top of the phone with a soft brush. This is what you use to hear calls, so keeping it clean helps. After cleaning, test another call using the phone app or WhatsApp. Now restart the phone by pressing and holding the power button, then tap Restart. After the restart, as a last resort, open Settings and scroll down to System. Tap on System, go to Reset Options and click Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap Reset and confirm again. You'll get a confirmation when it's done. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.